Hello, this is Michael Lasky, and I have a support question for Wishlist member, and I'm using WordPress multi-site configuration. So the first question is, does Wishlist member play well with WordPress multi-site? So I'm on my website, one website. It's called onewebsite.ca. And you can see I do have a multi-site install. One website's the normal website, and then I have these project management sites that I have a theme installed on that help me organize the process of developing a website for somebody. And it's just a simple WooThemes on the front, but WooThemes may be one of the colliding issues. There's another plugin I think might have an issue with this whole setup, but I've isolated it down to Wishlist at the moment. So you can see right now that I do not have Wishlist member activated, and the problems I'm having are a couple things. But first of all, on the one website site, if I do a new post and I go add a new post, the add new post screen gets really messed up. So right now it's working, you can see, and then here's the dashboard for the sub site, how to sleep on your back, and I can add a new post, and when I add a new post here, the post new screen seems to work just fine. There does seem to be a little bit of a display bug right here. Thank you for creating with WordPress, and that seems to get worsened, made worse when I activate the plugin. So I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to activate Wishlist member, and for the most part, Wishlist member seems to work in particular on the main site, onewebsite.ca. So now that that's activated on onewebsite.ca, under Wishlist member, here's my different membership levels, and I do have members in here, and the exclusion and inclusion of content seems to be working. But when I go to the dashboard of one of the sub-sites, like how to sleep on your back, one of the messages I get is that, number one, that Wishlist needs to be updated. But when I go to update it, I'm unable to. It'll fail that update, and I don't see that update being required in the network admin plugins page at all. And you can see that I have this error here, that I'm unable to do whatever and whatever. The other thing is I see is that there's no membership levels yet. So these are the two issues that make me believe that perhaps Wishlist isn't meant to work with multi-site, which is unfortunate, because what I'm really trying to do is the one website site I want to have a membership site on. The rest of them I don't care about. There's nothing on here I need to protect. So what I'd like to be able to do is just, in a way, in essence, not activate the plugin on these sub-sites, just only activate it on this site. That might be a great workaround. Now that this plugin's activated, if I go to the posts and go to add new posts, and this is how I found the problem to begin with, is my staff was trying to build out some posts on that sub-site, and you can see that the edit screen is just all messed up and it's impossible to add any content. So that's my big question for Wishlist member. Working with a WooTheme called Wordpress, and on a WordPress multi-site install. Thanks so much. I'm Michael Lasky. Bye-bye.